Hey everybody, this is Jared Snyder. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment on anything that you wish. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to make videos that would inspire you or help you out with your health and fitness. But anyways, today I did, it was called Chisel Endurance. It's one of the workouts that are in the program that I am doing right now from Beachbody On Demand. It is an older program, but it does still give you really awesome results. And I'll have my results on here to show you. But all the moves were like a minute long, so we did a lot of using the bench for bench run-ups, incline press. We did decline push-ups. I mean, there's just, you'll see in the video what kind me working out, what kind of moves I did. And let me tell you, it was 40 minutes long and I was sweating. Like, it's a workout, man. Like, it was hard, but you know, I keep on telling myself, you gotta do this, you gotta do this. And you know, just speaking that positive into my brain, you know, like instead of saying, oh, I can't do this, I'm saying I can do this. And that just helps me get through the workouts. As you'll see in one of the videos also, that my daughter did a few moves with me, and I love it that I can be a role model for my kids and just work out with them. Seeing that so that they have, you know that they need to take care of themselves also. You know, like that they just make good choices and stuff. I don't really push the health and fitness thing on them, but you know, it's nice to see that they, you know, they want to ride their bikes or they want to go for walks or whatever, you know, and I just encourage them to, you know, be active during the day, than rather sitting around and playing on their video games or their tablets all day long. So, but anyways, I'm gonna leave some links below, and would love to connect with you guys. Would love for you to join me. I'm always looking for coaches to join my team. If you're into health and fitness and want to make a living by helping people, making good choices and just motivating them and working with them with the programs, I would love to have you. Also, if you just want to get in a program or something and join my online gym group that I have, it's amazing, man. We're almost up to 600 people. I would love for you to join that group also. I mean, I have lots of stuff that we could go over and get you into. So, but anyways, please subscribe. I would love for you guys to leave me comments. Let me know who you are that are my subscribers. I would love also if you like something, let me know. Hit the like button. I'm really trying hard to, you know, up my YouTube game, so like any kind of feedback is awesome too. So, but anyways, I'm always staying positive, you know, through all the negative, and I just want to be that encouragement and the motivation that you guys need. And so I just want to say I love you guys. We need love in this world because there's so much craziness. But anyways, take care and God bless.